What if I told you that one of the oldest seeds in human history was once believed to hold the secret to immortality, and that today it is one of the fastest growing food trends in the world? You may have seen them recently on top of a latte, inside a pastry, swirled through ice cream. We are talking about black sesame seeds. Small, jet black, with a deep, toasted, slightly bitter flavor. But these tiny seeds carry a story that goes back over 5,000 years. And it begins not in a cafe, but in the ancient world. In East Asia, particularly in China, black sesame was not just food, it was medicine, it was philosophy. Black sesame has one of the longest documented histories of any medicinal food in Chinese medicine. It was recorded first in the Sun Nong Ban Chao Jing, one of the oldest medical texts in the world, listed as an upper grade herb. Ancient physicians praised it as a tonic for the liver and kidneys. They said it could strengthen the body, sharpen the mind, and slow the process of aging. In Taoist health philosophy, black sesame was considered a food of the immortals. There is an ancient Chinese legend that captures just how seriously people took this seed. An emperor sent his governor on a journey across mountains and forests to find a medicine that could grant eternal life. The governor searched for years. When he finally returned, he brought sesame seeds. His instruction to the emperor was simple: take the seeds and their oil every day. Bensao Ganghun, known in English as Compendium of Maitreya Medica, quoted by UNESCO as the most complete and comprehensive medical book ever written in the history of traditional Chinese medicine, makes a remarkable claim. It says that taking black sesame seeds can heal chronic illness after 100 days. It can improve the skin after 1 year, reverse gray hair after 2 years, and regrow teeth after 3. Whether or not you believe those claims, they tell us something important. For thousands of years, people believed this small seed could change their life. As black sesame moved across Asia, each culture made it their own. In Japan, black sesame, known as gurugoma, became central to Buddhist temple cuisine called Shojin Raori, symbolizing vitality and longevity. It found its way into wagashi, traditional Japanese sweets, into furikake seasoning sprinkled over rice, into ramen broths and rice crackers. In Korea, it appeared in medicinal porridges and seasoned side dishes passed down through families. In Hindu culture, sesame, known as til, is considered sacred and offered during festivals and religious rituals. In Buddhist traditions, black sesame symbolizes purification. The same seed, across different religions, different languages, different kitchens. Each culture finding meaning in it. In 2026, black sesame is having a moment. Searches for black sesame matcha has increased by 147% year on year. Cafes across the world are adding black sesame lattes, croissants, cream puffs, and desserts to their menus. It has moved from Asian kitchens, where it was never forgotten, into the wider world. But here is what is interesting. This is not a new discovery, it is a rediscovery. A seed that fed ancient civilizations, that was carried along trade routes for thousands of years, that was offered to gods and prescribed by physicians, is now being served in cafes and added to wellness routines. The world is catching up to something that Asia has known for 5,000 years. A tiny seed, almost invisible, jet black, grown in ancient India and Ethiopia, carried through continents, revered in China, Japan, Korea, and India, offered to emperors and gods, and now in your morning coffee. If you enjoyed this story, you might like the next episode on a plant so feared people invented rituals just to survive harvesting it. Stories travel, so do seeds. See you soon.